It's a 2016 Volkswagen Golf GTI. This sporty hatchback has skills. The exterior sets the tone with LED fog lights, alloy wheels, and dual exhaust. Plentiful amounts of adaptable cargo space, ambient lighting, heated sport seats, and a touchscreen sound system put a smile on your face. But what really pegs the smile meter is the turbocharged engine, sport-tuned suspension, and XDS Plus cross differential system that's there for you on every inch of every inviting curve. You've always got your phone. You always have your car. And now they work together with CarNet with App Connect. In the case of an emergency, the intelligent crash response system is standing by. It simply does more for you. Sporty looks and performance to match. Take this fiery hatchback for a test drive.
Call, click, or stop into Napleton's Volkswagen of Sanford today. We're conveniently located at 4175 South Orlando Drive in beautiful Sanford. We look forward to serving you.